Vanakkam friends, my dear friends, subscribers of my YouTube channel, the graduates in agriculture and allied subjects, the students who are specializing in agriculture degree programs, and faculty members of all agriculture universities and colleges. I welcome all of you for my presentation. And the presentation is on the agronomy part 1. This is the multiple choice questions in agriculture, and the topic which I am going to discuss is fundamentals of crop protection 3. This is the 3 series. Already I have presented the series 1 and series 2, and one more series will be there. It will be presented in the next presentation. And the coming to the topics for discussion, the fundamentals of crop production, the part 3, and the question number 1, which is not a kharif crop. In India, there are two major seasons. One is kharif, and second one is the rabi season. And we have one more season, that is the Zait season, that exists in northern parts of India. And among all the four crops, the mustard is not a kharif crop. And the kharif season starts in the month of June. The sowing will be taken in June, July, as soon as the onset of southwest monsoon, and the harvesting will be done at the end of southwest monsoon, that is the October, November, or September, October, depending upon the duration of the crop. And the mustard is not the kharif crop. It is grown in the rabi season. That is the correct answer. And this question number 2, which one is a rabi crop? Rabi crop are sown in the month of, that is in the winter, that is in the month of mid-November to December, and harvested in spring, that is April, May. And among all these four crops, wheat is sown in rabi season. That is the correct answer. And June cultivation is also called as shifting cultivation. It is mostly this system of cultivation is practiced in the humid tropics, mostly in the northeastern states of India, like Nagaland, the Manipur and other area. In this system, they will cut the forest, they will cut the trees and burn it in situ. And after burning, the ash will be incorporated in the soil to increase the fertility of the soil. And the crops are grown for 2 or 3 seasons. And after that, they will shift to the new place. That is called shifting cultivation. And the question number 4, which one of the following is called king of cereals? Wheat is the king of cereal, and this is the correct answer for king of cereals. And when you talk about king, and we have to tell about the queen of cereals. And among all the cereals and millets, the maize is the queen of cereals. That is the correct answer. And question number 6, the urea contains dash percentage of nitrogen, and the exact content of nitrogen of urea is 46%. The correct answer, correct option. And this is the major nutrient which is applied to almost all crops, the nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. And seventh question, poisonous alkaloid in castor seed is the resin. That is the correct answer. Mostly the castor seeds on aging and the old seeds of castor, they will show some kind of rancidity. That means the oxidation of unsaturated fats of the oil seeds that will be taken place, and because of that there is unpleasant odor and also the taste. And what is the test weight of wheat seed? And the question number is 8. 40 gram is the exact test weight of wheat seed. That is average test weight. That is the correct answer. The question number 9. The concept of leaf area index is developed by the which scientist or in which year? That is the question. Leaf area index is nothing but the projected leaf area of unit area, or maybe the meter square. And the one unit of LA is about 10,000 meter squares per hectare. That is the norms. And the concept of leaf area was developed by the scientist Watson in the year 1958. And this is the correct answer for this question. And question number 10, soybean contains how much percentage of protein? Dash percentage of protein. About 42% of protein is present in the soybean seeds, grains. And the question number 11, which is the salinity tolerant variety of barley? When you talk about salinity, the pH of the saline soil should be around, I think, more than 7.5. It goes up to 8.5. And the barley saline resistant variety is BL2. And this is the correct answer for this question. And the question number 12, the term agriculture is derived from which language? Whether it is a Greek or Italian or Portuguese. No, it is a Latin word from which the term agriculture is being derived. And question number 13, the base temperature of wheat crop is dash degrees Celsius. Minimum, how much temperature is needed right from sowing maybe up to harvest. And the temperature, base temperature is 4.5 degrees Celsius is the correct answer. And question number 14, which of the following crops has the highest cultivated area in the world? Nothing but the wheat, the highest cultivated area in the world. Mostly major area is in China, the US, and the Russia, the France, India, Pakistan, and we can list out almost all the countries in the world which are which are cultivating the wheat crop. And the 15th question, the fruit of rapeseed and mustard is known as, the fruit of rapeseed and mustard is siliqua. Siliqua means on maturation it split, opens and disperses the seed. And the question number 16, the origin place of potato is South America, and South America is the origin of potato. That is the correct place of origin. And the 17th question is, what is the color of endosperm of VD rice? We used to call as red rice. and that is the exact color of the VD rice when compared to the normal rice. And the question number 18, which was the first safflower hybrid that is released in India. The first hybrid of safflower is BSH1, a correct answer. And the question number 19, who reported first plant parasitic bacteria? The scientist who has reported the plant parasitic bacteria first time in the world is T.J. Burrell. And the question number 20, where Zabo system followed. Zabo means nothing but the water harvesting system that is mainly practiced in the state of Nagaland. And question number 21, which elements promotes the formation of vitamin A in plants? The micronutrient copper is responsible for the formation of vitamin A in almost all the plants. And the question number 22, which was the first genetically modified food approved for release in tomato? Flavor saver tomatoes was the first GMO crop that was released in 1980 by an American company, Calogene. And 23rd question, where Kaira disease was first reported? And Kaira is nothing but the physiological disease caused by zinc deficiency in rice, and this Kaira disease was first reported in Uttarakhand state. That is the correct answer. The question number 24, who has written Irrigation Theory and Practice book? And the book on irrigation theory and practice was written by Michael A.M. It's a correct answer for this question. And what causes the browning of rice? And browning of rice is caused due to the iron deficiency and the change of purple color in the leaf tips is the typical symptom. And here the Kaira disease is a dusting of brown spots or brown the spots on the leaf surface, which resulted in necrosis finally. And with this, I am completing the crop production, fundamentals of crop production, part 3, multiple choice questions. And kindly read this presentation and view this presentation. That will be more useful for almost all the competitive examination which I have been listed earlier. I do not want to repeat again and again. Thank you, friends, and kindly like my presentation, and please comment on this presentation, share this presentation, share this video to your friends as well as your WhatsApp groups, and subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, in other words, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, you will be getting the future uploaded videos by me. Thank you, friends. We will meet in the next presentation, that is on fundamental